What's going on, everyone? This is the Faceless Hobo, and I've got to say, you guys are looking amazing. I guess you've been paying attention. Now it's time to put the knowledge you've gained to test. Many of you watching this video are in the hopes of getting a girlfriend, and believe me, this is not a clickbait. There really are just a few simple steps to get a girlfriend. And so today, I'm going to teach you the 6 steps to get a girlfriend or a boyfriend if you're into it. I'm not here to judge. So let's hop into it. The first step to get a girlfriend is to get a girl. Now, before you unsubscribe from this channel, hear me out. You need to have the special person in mind if you want to be in a relationship. Relationships are not easy. It's a commitment of a lifetime. You are going to spend the rest of your life with this woman, hopefully. So you need to be sure who that special person is. It's really easy to get a girlfriend, but not that easy to get a partner. You need to keep in mind that once you decide that you want to be in a relationship, you cannot turn back. So until you find the person who makes your body go crazy, invest your time in improving yourself. Subscribe to my channel and take that first step in making you the best version of yourself. Once you're sure that you really like someone, the next step is for the more confident type of guy. If you're the type of person who isn't afraid of going up to a woman and telling her how you feel without any hesitation, this step is the final step for you. All you have to do is walk up to her and say something along the lines of, "Hey, I saw you from over there and I was wondering if I could get your number." It's that simple. She will either reject you or accept. If she accepts, congratulations. If she says she's already in a relationship, accept it and move on instead of being a creep and stalking her. For people like me who are afraid to talk to stranger, don't worry, just follow the next step. The third step is to talk to her friends. Find the people she's close to and try to engage with them. If you have a mutual friend, ask them to introduce the two of you. You need to get as many of her friends as you can to be on your side. This will help you in 2 ways. Firstly, you'll start interacting with new people and expand your social circle. And secondly, your crush's approval is highly based on what her friends think about you. And the more you know her friends, the higher the chance of her approval. At this point, I'm pretty sure she already knows that you like her. Girls are amazing at such things. And many people at this point make the biggest mistake. Many of these young one-sided love stories fail at this step. I've personally known many people who act like Romeo among his friends, but the second the girl walks in, he gets all macho and starts ignoring her. And that is the single dumbest reaction I've ever seen. She knows you like her, so why do you act like you don't? Take advantage of this situation. Talk to her. Shower her with some flirty yet charming compliments. Make sure she gets a clear answer that yes, you do like her. The faster you do this, the farther away you'll be from the friend zone. The fourth step in this process is the D-Day. The day you've been waiting for. The day everything changes. The one advantage you had over the confident guy is that you've had all this time to think about it. You've been spending a lot of time with her and you're not tired. You want to be closer to her. Always be with her. If you feel this way, this is the final step for you guys. Make sure you two are alone. This would make you feel more comfortable and her less distracted. And just do it. Just like the second step. If she says yes, good for you. But if she says no, don't worry. Remember that you've gained some amazing friends in this process and you also gained some experience when it comes to talking to girls. Consider this step as the bonus step in the quest to get a girlfriend. This is one of the most important steps. You have to plan a date with her. You put in so much work for this and now it's all about making sure she knows what type of guy she said yes to. Save up some money before you ask her out. You can do anything for your first date except movies. Movies are not the right place for the first date. Even something as simple as walking around together at night can be romantic. And that's basically it. These are the 6 steps to get a girlfriend. If you like this video and found it informative, don't forget to hit that like button down below. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.